Hey, it's Sean again with Splash Fiberglass Pool Company. And you might be asking, I signed my contract, got the permit, what's next? What do I expect? Once you get to this stage, what you can expect is we're going to reach out to you and say, let's go, congratulations, your permit is approved. This is where it gets exciting for us. We've already ordered your pool. Now we reach out to the manufacturer to see when we can get your pool into our storage yard. Once we know that, we will let you know. Then we will give you a ring and we will set up another layout meeting. Basically, we get your permit, all your documents. We'll come to your house, meet with you. The head of the dig crew and some of the owners will come out, lay out the pool, answer any questions you might have, and just go over the whole process that I'm about to go over now as well. After that, we then get your pool at our storage yard. We're going to cut the holes for the pool pump, the returns, the skimmer, lights if you've added them, anything additional that needs to go into the pool. We get that prepped at our storage yard. So your pool will come by tractor trailer. We'll actually lift that off, put it on our stands, cut everything that we need to, and then when we're ready for install day, we'll bring it directly to your house. After that, we schedule install day for you. We'll let you know when that is. Do you have to be home? Not necessarily. Many of our clients like to be home to check it out. It's totally up to you. As long as you're available, email, phone, text, if anything happens or pops up that we have to ask you about, we will reach out to you during install day. So during the install day, once we know that, a little before that, you're going to have a porta potty there from us. We're going to send you materials. Our guy's going to come out ahead of time to check out the pool materials, make sure we have everything ready. And then after that, we're also going to have gravel loaded and delivered to your house right before dig day. Usually the day of, sometimes the day before. This way, we have everything there to start. Dig day is usually 7 to 10 hour process. We come labor heavy, and what we do is excavate. If we're going to get rid of the dirt, we haul it away that day. If we're going to leave the dirt there and use it for rough grading, for elevation changes and things, we will do that day as well. Then we bring the pool in. Once the hole is dug, we use a gravel base, number 8 clean stone, 4 inches thick. We're going to install your sub pump drain pipe. That's really just a way to get any groundwater from underneath the pool out. And then from there, we're going to install the pool shell nice and level. All 4 corners of your pool shell is going to be level within a 1/4 inch when installed by Splash Fiberglass Pool Companies. That means if you're looking at a rectangle, all 4 corners are within a 1/4 inch. So when you're looking at your water level in the pool, it's nice and straight. I've seen pool installs where it's angled really bad and you can't really fix that after the pool is installed with concrete pool decking and things like that. So 1/4 inch. Industry allowable is actually 2 inches. We're nowhere near that. We are experts in our craft. Nice and level is the way to go here. Okay, so once we put the pool in, we then do all your plumbing. So you'll have a trench from the pool to where your pool pumps and all are going to be. That's going to be open for a little while because of inspections. Then we're going to fill the pool up and backfill at the same time, number 8 stone grade, clean grade gravel, all the way up to the top of the pool with water. And then after that, we're going to put an orange fence around the pool. We're going to install your lights, conduit, anything you have there. If you have additional water features, that's going to be added to with our plumbing team when we're there on day 1. The pool pumps, the filters, if you got a heater, automation systems, anything like that is going to be mostly set up then. After that, we then have the electrician come out. He's going to go over things with you. He'll start his process. He'll call in his inspection. If you have added a gas heater, electric heater, propane heater, the guys that are going to do that work are going to contact you and reach out to you and schedule everything needed for that as well. Once electrical inspections have passed, we then come back, fill in the trench. Then from there, we are going to do what's called a concrete collar. That is basically 12 inches wide, 8 inches thick around the pool. We fill that and we pour that, usually the same day that we form it. And then from there, we offer free coping, additional coping. Some people do charge for coping extra. We do not. So coping is kind of like the border right here that goes around the pool. Something similar to, this image right there, border. That's what we offer for no charge at all. Here's a better picture of it too. Some coping that goes around the pool, this white portion there. You choose the colorway ahead of time with your salesperson. We install that right after the concrete collar, usually a day after the concrete collar, maybe two, depending on weather and weekends. Then from there, we're gonna make sure you understand that our package includes 3 feet of concrete. If you've added more or want to add more, we come out, meet with you, go over the layout. If you want to change from concrete to pavers, from pavers to travertine, marble, whatever your pool deck is, we're going to just verify before we start that again. Lay that out with you in person. If you want to add things, that is the time. We then do that. We'll check with the permitting company too in the county to make sure we're good to go on that. From there, we form it up. There may be another electrical inspection. Once that passes, or if we don't need it, we form it up. You'll see the layout of where the concrete or pool deck's gonna go, and then we schedule a day to do that. After we do that, boom, we pull the forms off. We do another rough grade around the pool with the dirt that's left over. In some cases, you might have to bring in extra dirt. We go over that with you if you ever need to. And then once from there, if you want to add seed and straw, or if you want to add sod, we're not a big landscaper, but we do that. We do offer that as an additional fee. You can do that. If we're doing your fencing, we do your fence for you based on the county. That's the time to kind of go over the layout with the fence crew and have that installed. And then from there, we call in your final electrical permit inspections and your final building. We will reach out to you ahead of time to let you know what your county requires. Usually it's a fence. Usually it's self-latching and self-locking gates, and also usually it's door alarms. So if you have your fence that comes off the corner of the house and your house is kind of acting like a fence, so you have access to the pool through your house, usually you have to put up door alarms. We'll send you the link for those door alarms that you have to purchase. We don't install them for liability reasons, but you put them up right in the windows or sliders. Then we let you know what days the inspectors are looking to come out. We schedule that with you, and that's it. We look forward to helping you. If you have questions, always reach out. Our office is 410-541-4410. Again, my name is Sean Locklear with Splash Fiberglass Pools, and we look forward to helping you make a big splash. Thank you.